Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install the AV1 Codec for Windows 10. If you have tried playing a video and you keep getting an error message pop up saying AV1 codec missing, then this is how you fix that issue. To start off with, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and click. You now need to type in store and you need to open up the Microsoft Store. Once the store is open, you now need to click up in the bit where it says search, and you need to type in AV1. And you now need to click on AV1 Video Extension Beta. And you now need to click on Git. You now need to press Install. And it will begin to download and install the AV1 Video Extension. And you can now press Launch. And there we go. As you can see, it has now launched our video player and we now have the AV1 Codecs installed on our Windows 10 machine. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.